Labantu babeku.
Khona abantu abajinjwa mfethu, bathulile mfethu. Khona abantu abajinjwa, yabo. Yawuza kunokuvela na writings ama drugs ukuthi abanye bebavayisa ama drugs. Abanye bese ba give upile ngale. Yabo. Abanye ba adopt nje am propaganda, yabo. Yazi am propaganda. Even now I have issues ngongizwe nophakela meeting uRamaphosa. I understand ukuthi they will they will spin it the way ukuthi no they couldn't call the other one uJacinta because but bayamgibelisa ihashe bagibele naye ihashe mabagibele naye ihashe abacabanga ukuthi umfazi womuntu bamkukile. If a thug comes into your house, he's reconciled himself ukuthi ngaboshwa ngabulawa ngenzeka leyo uthi ngishaye. We haven't reached that stage thina in South Africa. I'm not telling people what to do, but the ANC, when they adopted the armed struggle, Nabo PAC, they've reconciled themselves to that, which we may die, even though they were under armed propaganda. And there may be casualties. Even now, there will be people who are misidentified, and I know that Abu woke, but yeah, Aksi, Ikrekamba, what's a Limpopo? It happens all the time with struggle. In the struggle, I'm a student. They banned Umakis Kosana, mistakenly so because the atmosphere is not the same as now. We've got interrogation processes. They are suspect. It happens.
Welcome to the Dobby Show. Of course, I go Biden. I'm Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Is one story at the time and one testimony at the time. Today, we're talking about what is going on in the country. So yeah. Please,
you want July.
You want July today. So yeah. We're going to talk about after effects of March and March. Obviously, we're going to touch on a lot of things. James, are we on Grace?
Are we on Grace? We're on Grace. We are here.
We're on Grace time.
Yeah, it's Grace time.
Yeah, it's Grace.
Let's start.
Mtungana gaso. I know. Singamabharu mawusibuka yasibona vele. Upar ukhona khona kungamabharu.
It's a good thing. As a man, you must hold on to something. There must be something that's guiding you as compass. Njengoba besibuza last time ukuthi bapha abafundisi. At least bayavela manje.
Bakhamba siyabonga. Yazi Mtunga siyabonga.
Nama artist besiloko sibuza ubaba baculi. Ngibonile nakumzwakhe Mbulo Dumiso Masha. Khona umntwana lo kaTira, I must give credit. She's been consistent uGugu Khathi.
Yes.
Nabo Elvovo, I know that Elvovo has been pushing ukuthi hayi bafethu yazini angeke siphile so ama-artist amaningi at least manje ayavela.
And ngimele sibonge.
Yeah, that's the role of an artist. An artist must reflect the reality.
Khathi imeli kaTira.
Katira, I think imeli Katira.
Yeah, imeli
Tira bekatrenda nyana ngathi abantu bathi wangakhuza umuntu wakho.
No, akakwazi ukumkhuza. Nomntana right and
no uTira wayekhuluma ukuthi abantu ababhalisela ukuvota in the middle of
no. I couldn't read the room. Sometimes you must read the room.
Ngiyabona ngathi but is a human I was a mistake umalume lapha.
Read the room, bheki atmosphere.
Wayetsheliwe phela ukuthi wayetsheliwe phela wathi mtizozo batshela ukuthi aba-rages.
No ungalahli yabo. So at least nama-artist ayavela kancane yabo. Nabo banomfana lo khuluma nge-accent wakumetro.
Thibo Tash.
Yeah, nayo uyavela ukuthi hayi bafethu yazini man. This is not xenophobia. We are fighting for things that make us.
And sifuna abantu abanjengabo ukuthi bakhulume.
Yeah, because bane-platform.
Bane-platform, yes.
Yeah, naseqaleni kwakunjalo mfethu. Ama-artists beyokhuluma from radio personalities, abaculi, Miriam Makeba. Miriam Makeba sacrificed the career because after she went into the world stage and said South Africa iyahlupheka icindezelwe, she was isolated in America. What made it worse was shot down with Stokely Carmichaels, aka Kwame Ture. Now I ask you after lapho kwathula, yabo. And she's the one who also helped Utsetse Mashinini. Utsetse Mashinini was isolated in exile. You know, because Utsetse Mashinini, those are the young lions, black consciousness who went through exile. Mabafike exile, they were puzzled because they found lama timer lawe ANC PAC abhema amasika amajini. Now they were shocked ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani la. No Oliver Tambo yasho ukuthi if it was not 1976 in fact besifile. So le ntwana masifika sithi kanti ama timer la kwenzakalani la. Abanye baphusha bomakhosha. Yabo athi ha ngeke le ntwana lezi zafaka ipressure yabo. Phela Oliver Tambo bekaleyo boma England makazala uzeZambia unedladla eligrand bonke laba yabo
labantu babekuphi
khona abantu abajinjwa mfethu bathulile mfethu khona abantu abajinjwa yabo yawuza kunokuvela na writings ama drugs ukuthi abanye bebavayisa ama drugs abanye bese ba give upile ngale yabo abanye ba adopt nje am propaganda yabo yazi am propaganda bathumela umfana we1 bathi awuhambe mfana ushaye babona ukuthi siyasebenza. They were scamming donors ukuthi baye kuma donors bathi mfethu nangu Chris ngiyabona ukuthi uboshiwe ya isotsha lethu lomkhonto rele up uboshiswe yibo bakudrekela abanye angithi mayivela lapha bathi amaphekula mfethu aboshiwe amaphekula ayi10 kubo i-content bebenza i-content labantu exile bebangalwi yebana amanye amabhombe bawaplanta kwabona babiza amaphoyisa bathi andilandana amabhombe lapha yabo bezikhuluma ngithi balanda amabhombe lapha kuze nama newspaper bashute bathathe low newspaper clip baye ko United Nations ko Russia bathi ngiyabona amadoda sasebenza yabo thina besikhala ngapha sithi give us arms guys we want to fight
ekade yaqala indaba ye content
dali content ikhona mfethu bebathumela umfana we1 ayoboshwa
yebana
bebazi kahle ukuthi uzoboshwa mfethu ko Fact Plus. That's why nge-spy commission if yakhumbula Mike Maharaj nabo Zuma bathi ku-spy commission ba accuse uNcuka bathi was a spy
ngiyakhumbula
George Bezos were a defender in national intelligence at that time bekuyiniya what we cannot release files sitry ukuprova umuntu e1 because we will compromise the entire unit. There's so many comrades who are spies. Even Patricia de Lille said it in parliament what all ANC MPs were spies. Wasukuma umaduna what name one what you for starters. Many of them they were known they were double agents.
And kuthiwa vele la besinabo manje kwangama spy abantu ababelwa ngempela babulawa.
Yeah, khona amajita mfethu amanye awuzange afune nokubuya mfethu. Solo kakwada. Umunye yasho ukuthi yazi mina ngayi exile mfethu. Ngibaleka la 76 ngihamba nemedium bangithathela yona ngale. Yabo bayithatha imedium. Yile nto eyenzakalayo nganye ama comrade ko Free State. But hey Chris, comrade ufike. Comrade high discipline. Comrade there's a delegation going to China. You're part of the delegation. Mawuse China badla umfazi wakho.
Politics is full
politics mfethu.
Why khuluma no the podcast asho ukuthi as ama comrade ininto ebeyenzeke exa babulalene babulala abantu aba-innocent thinking ukuthi they were spies ushuthi ininto ebeyenzeke noThabo Mbeki khona ivideo engiyibonile kahle
nawu bani bacishe bambulala
ubani
uChrisani bobulawela ukuthi uyabuza nje ukuthi madoda into eswayo iko right silwanini sibuyela nini ekhaya
lozoba inkinga
la
uThabo Mbeki ukuthi angazi ubani waboshwe eZambia or kuphi ngakhona landa amaphoyisa aseZambia but
uma quadro camps la wabo bebana ama prison wabo nabo
but le khona le bedila ngama drugs ngabe bakuphi Zambia Zimbabwe I think
ngimzwela imention le ukuthi
but airport bese yazi ingene airport le plane iphuma nezinto ihambe ama drugs.
So what are the chances that this guy was not fundraising for them?
So but Zambian police igcine bambamba bathi balanda uThabo Mbeki ukuthi lo muntu lo kuselani lo muntu emuva akabuyele emzansi akawayisombopha
akabehave
uzobe bathi abafuna ukuhlaza ANC iZambia athi ngcono nimbuyisele emuva ngoba sifuna ukuembarrass ANC yabo uzubo dala lento ama drugs yaqala ukuthi uThabo Mbeki nabo kumele bakhulume ukuthi ngokwenzakala
everyone's affected.
Yabona makhuluma ngama drugs you're talking about the system. It's one thing that Kwame Ture washo wathi as a Black Panther when they started they were fighting drugs they did not understand because when they're fighting drugs they're fighting the CIA they're fighting the FBI. These drugs were put in there to destabilize them. They only realized later what they said. All these guys are my plant. thole uyawuthenga ne-Kingpin laphaya Rick Ross ubani bani yena abo Alpo from nowhere naselokishini bekunjalo bekunokuvumbuka i-out eSoweto from nowhere out ihamba ngegusheshe ishaya iSkel ifaka umashwabana yelo muntu udla abantwana akekho umuntu umazi ukuthi lo muntu ubuyaphi wonke amalokishi bekunjalo whether you go to kwaMashu eMlazi istory sakhona siyafana bazokutshela ukuthi emfethu kwakufika enyawo bathi hayi hlale town hayi out nje ethanda amajita out ifike nje nithola nisiphuzele bafethu kunjani hayi thi ngijoin amajita ifake icase from there lo muntu lona kanti spy infected nabantwana abaskar yabo bekunawuthi ezinjalo so i-struggle sibuya kude mfethu nabo abanye abasuke ngayiba i-exile I mean if you are in exile you are a woman the chances that you could be labeled a spy some they were labeled spies once they label you a spy it means anything can happen to you you can also be tortured and raped I mean some of their female comrades I know Ayanda Dlodlo uyayiphika le but ngamuzwa mina esho ku Power FM athi mabafika e-exile if I'm wrong I'll apologize but mina ngamuzwa ikhuluma ku Power FM namanye abantu bamuzwa wathi masifike e-exile as female comrades the first thing that they gave us is not guns it's prevention tablets
yeah man
so uyabona ukuthi
ushuthi nje kuzo
yeah
let's get into it. There's a guy by Anthony Galveston, the G2G guy podcast. Ingenelele kuba iMeya se Gauteng lo amehla blue. What do you think about it? I'll start with you. Yeah, say just say Johannesburg. When I become a mayor.
Izwela abakhuluma ngaze ngithathele serious.
Yeah, it's serious. Yeah, who registered?
Ubani usukaphi?
It's looks like it's from Botswana or something. He was once a rapper, musician. Yeah, angithi Botswana will take you to other countries and they will train you. Or something that you're American even.
Namehla blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a problem the ndaba yabo.
What do you think about it?
Ayabe kancane bethu. Yabona ngisayidigesta namanje. Independent ukenza
Yeah, independent candidate.
Ngami kancane mfethu.
But I think a problem yokuba nabanga bro I mean I had a cousin
it might be a plan.
Yabo ma unabangani abangama-gay will build your confidence to another level. They tell you, look at your eyes, you can be a mayor actually. Oh, Anthony. It's nice. I had a cousin.
They're delusional.
Yeah, they build you, bro. They build your ego and everything. I had a cousin who was gay. He passed away. It was like, he's the one who said I can rap. Ngahamba ngaya studio rap. It was like yeah, I released like so many music and I was bad. But this guy will tell me like every time when I come home with this music, anyone will say this is trash. But when I come home, this guy will say, this is amazing. Yeah. Chris, is this you? And I'm like,
we are from a feminine perspective.
This guy almost killed me, bro.
And it's in Tina, we are honest.
Guys were like, Chris Barai, they got to issue. Yo, man, figured that they nailed this guy, that paper and fish, man, figured out Pagma Coke, Engels, like that, this guy, this music. Hey, this guy will like, I can't believe it's you. I'm like, yeah. I think this music, yeah, this music sounds. And they said, then it's like, you can be a comedian. Then I went to Soweto theater.
Soweto comedy.
At theater. Who's Uganda? Like, I'm telling you true story.
A comedy, Hispanic comedy.
He told me, bro, like,
comedy Hispanic.
He would call me, yeah, they got behind everything from my confidence. I'm saying, to me, this guy looks like he's surrounded by gay people because they will build your confidence. Like, so he was behind like it's like, now man. I don't remember, but I freezed because I'm scared of people. Like I don't. But man get at this stage, then I freeze. then hey, abantu bomba.
And there's a difference between comedy and telling jokes.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
So maybe now when I started saying that, and it was like, actually, you can do comedy. And bro, so that guy. So I'm saying this guy to me, so it looks like he's surrounded by gays people. They build his confidence. They're like, look at you, you got the blue eyes, and you can watch the town. Go.
Yeah, and the ubani and as afuna by me asechos. That's another problem is now in South Africa. Anyone and anybody feels good angenza noma yini in South Africa. ADA is known for that, for bringing ama-foreigner, ewanika ama-MP positions, ama-mayor, nabo Fantami, ngiyakhumbula bekunamunye uchira bathu Fantami. Yabathanda nayo lo wako Home Affairs bathu buye eZimbabwe. I have a problem, ngomuntu ozalelwe somewhere. Yabo makafika lapha naturalize sekadlalile bafana because we are being replaced. And as South Africans, I don't know ukuthi abayiboni leyo nto na. Because if you bring these people, bayashaya ngenamba. Inamba yethu incane and we don't reproduce at a faster rate. And these guys mabeza ngayi. They occupy every sector. La bangakafiki khona bazofika one day. They will become judges. They will become police. They'll become Bafana players. They'll become actors. They'll become TV presenters because they've got children. Their children, banama ambition. They're not going to do one thing bonke one day. Bathengisa amatamati bonke. Abanye bangena kuma-spaza shops. Bangena kancane. Before you know it, yabo. So kuyibo kuphela.
Lento ngiyibona izolo man.
And they bayankhipha ama-South African mabafika.
Exactly.
They colonize space. Bheka ama-university. Uyako UNISA, ko UJ, mangono eyi-1 waseZimbabwe, ufaka abanye, ubiza abanye, ama-South African ahamba kancane. In the neighborhood, once kwaba ne-Nigerian, bayabaleka le bilunga, ngithi lezi nomsindo. Hey, Jesus! Hey, look at the nyash! I so hate it when South Africans refer to bums as nyash. So abelungu yabona bayabaleka nathi siyabaleka, we can't sit next to them. Bona bayijwayele le field. Before they know it, bathathe i-Kempton Park, bathathe i-Tefontein, bathathe i-Roodepoort, bathathe i-Benoni, bathathe i-Klerksdorp, bathathe i-Durban, bathathe i-Sandton, bathathe i-Rivonia. Thina sonke siyabaleka, we are squash. La emikhukhwini silwa nabo Maputo. Well, there's a poor. Yeah, so before we know it, so a minority in our country, and ngapha ziya reproduce ke yabona bocheri bethu ke bayavula inyawo for ama-foreign uma ngalo ukuthi mfethu yazi eqaleni mfethu abuthengini basekasi bangavuleli mfethu ibhadi yabona labo bocheri babizwa ngamati amahlabalazi bekwazi ukuthi labantwana bayakuphuza baphuze umntana khona bekaphuza mosathi uthi beka la uthi uye toilet gone. Laba bamanje laba babiza ngama-slay queen and bacabanga ukuthi bangcono kunalaba bebabizwa ngamati. Laba ama-slay queen, they even give them babies. Mfethu, every nation protect its woman folk. Go to Eldos. Ushela umntana wekhaladi. Uyabona lezi amajita ziyakwata. Nama-Latino. Mfethu, kunomntwana ongeke umshele. Yabona uye to the Indian community. Kunomunye umntwana wayengithanda eJimmy. Nomuhle kanjani. But lo mntwana lo bekathi makeza kimi kunalezi ama-Indians. Ayi bekajika baba. Zimbheka ngelinye lihlo baba ukuthi wena uyasithengisa. Yabo. Nami ngiyayifila la idea. Yabo.
Uthi singibhekile lezi.
Ngajola nomunye ePitori mfethu iHindu. Lo mntwana wayengitshela straight athi mfethu yazini ku public sometimes noma sihlangana sometimes shaya ngathi asazana. Yabo because lezi zakithi yabo azijabuleli into so. Lo mntwana bekanokungidlula mfethu so besinokudlulana so. Yabo. Every nation, they protect their women folk because they understand ukuthi mfethu the womb, it's a manufacturing factory for the next soldiers. I mean, labo Nigerian, half Zimbabwe, half Nigerian. They are loyal to their fathers. Most of the time. So besidila nabo intwana zethu so bezilwa nabo ezikolweni ibo bathatha space. So these guys eventually they will take over. They will become judges. They will become lawyers. They'll become doctors. Abanye baza ngama-fake qualifications. They'll become university chancellors, rectors, everywhere, every sector, like they did ngaboma blue-collar jobs. Things that we used to have. We didn't have a shortage of blue-collar jobs. But now technical colleges everywhere. Futhi bofunda mahala baze bakubhadale. ukuthi yazi nasi stipend. So we are being replaced kancane kancane. So abo Pan-Africanist woke abayiboni lezi zinto lezo. Baloko bathi no guys, we are all Africans. No, these guys mabezala baza ngeagenda. Nigerians, where do they work? Have you ever had a Nigerian when we are all Africans? A Nigerian sees a 17-year-old, 12-year-old and prostitute that child. When you can't think like that. Another thing, phakathi kwakho unembeza ukuthi sanomntana omuntu, lo mntana lo mabamfuna kubo. Kuthini kuwo? Nigerians don't have that. They sell their sisters. I mean, i-business ama Nigerian njengoba bathi baya-investa in ngama-drugs. What is the multinational yase Nigeria? Company enkulu yase Nigeria efana nabo Pick n Pay, Vodacom yase Nigeria kwaziwayo. Because even in Nigeria, those things, they don't own them. You know, akusezabo. So Tina, we are loose, silahlile, and we believe Gobo Thomas Sankara, ukuthi we are all Africans. Even Abu Sankara, they never said do away with borders. Kwame Nkrumah never said do away with borders. They embraced these colonial borders, and we've had borders even before the Berlin Conference. I mean, because ukuthi usenza ngakhona uphelela la ngaliqala usikhukhuni. We are divided kunemingcele. So manje labo woke abathi there is no foreigner in Africa.
Ngidala vele bofika musuka mhlambe kusikhukhuni kusenza bofika bongafika ungena.
Yeah uzokhule ucele usho ukuthi uphuma
uhlale nje.
So sometimes I miss the 80s. Yabona bozovela uvele nje yabona ukuthi no foreigner in Africa sivele nje sibeka itayere no meshes. I miss the 80s. Bongeke ukhulume noma yini because those days we had a leverage. You know, we had force, we had power. Now so ki democracy noma ubani uyakhuluma yabo avela phikisane nani ubona ukuthi mfethu this is a Nigerian guy, this is a Zimbabwean guy ungibamba inkunzi, but what about whites? Kuna this whataboutism. I'm dealing with a problem in front of me. This is the guy who's just raped my daughter. He's Zimbabwean. Bese kufika oTsiki Mazwayo, oDlozi, oThabo Mbeki. Yeah, what about whites? Bapema mapepa bacabanga ukuthi ba ama intellectuals. Akuna intellectual next there. Zonke lezi eyifundile, the more they get educated, baba dumb kokugcina. Yabo baba dumb bakutshela ukuthi no. What about whites? You are generalizing. Not all are like that. People say not all. Okay, fine. Where are they not all? I need but not all foreigners are like that. Where are the whistleblowers? Bama foreign. Abeko. You cannot say not all if 99% are like that. And the 1% that is there, it doesn't tell on their brothers. Our brothers are colluding. Bafuna ukuqeda. Bekumele kuvele nje iforeign eliwani lethe bafethu yazi nento abayenzayo bafethu angithandi. Where is the whistleblower? Yama Nigerian undercover ask ukuthi yazini bafethu iyawudzakethe sithengisa ama drugs angithandi leyo nto. Badefendana noma sebangasekho la base Nigeria. Kusho ukuthi abasabafunda abantu bathi no mabahlale lapho. Kusho ukuthi thina nje kumele accommodate all this nonsense. Maqala sithi bafethu silwisa icrime. But no, we are being xenophobic. Mina that term xenophobia it no longer puts me off. And I'm intellectuals wait, but you're generalizing. Statistics by nature, they're generalizing. Mangithi 50 million people live in South Africa. They're not exactly. I'm rounding off to the bigger number.
Might be more, might be less.
Yes, I'm generalizing. And it is safe. Yazi umuntu magathi you're generalizing. Ukhuluma ngathi ukhulume something profound. Lions are dangerous. I'm generalizing. Kune lion yasesekhasi engekho that danger. Kunenyoka ezingana venom.
Yeah. But
the cost of not generalizing in some situation, it's very high, to pay. If I leave my house, I'm locking the door. I've already generalized. Not everyone is a criminal. But the cost of not generalizing, it's very high to pay. I tell my daughter, listen, don't trust anyone. If ungene taxi kunamadoda ayi7 ngaphakathi ungasangeni. Those guys could be going to Kashembe, could be going to Galkhanyana bayasonta. But you must generalize because that 1%, it might cost you. So we generalize every day ukuthi South Africa, you can't train a crime. Us here, we are not criminals. But the cost of not generalizing is high. So it is safer to generalize. Statistics by nature, they're generalizing. Masiti, there's unemployment in South Africa. It doesn't mean that other people are not employed.
Yeah.
We have generalized. You know, if I know this thing, not all, you know, especially women, they'll take exceptional circumstances and want to make the general rule. But, you know, South African women love money. Not all. You are 1%. I'm not talking about you, but I'm talking about the 99%. The not all does not apply. If to Safari the same cause, all the time, Zimbabwe, you can't say not all are like that. No. Because of 1%. You know, and like here, we cannot die because Thabo Mbeki has got mines in Zimbabwe, Cyril Ramaphosa has got mines elsewhere. So that is the problem that we have in South Africa. And I feel good, South Africans, they must be careful because in 20 years to 30 years' time, this is the great replacement. They want to erase us. These guys are foreigners, but for South Africa without us in it. That's why what they see to Yoguti, Ninahamba near Zimbabwe. They've messed up their own countries when they were liberated. We never went in there. As a thina sambi nabogogo nabomkhulu ngamadondolo kuyo Zimbabwe exile.
They want South Africa without us.
They want South Africa without us.
And that's a better
even
way to
those
say it.
of us, or laba abathi banama friends nama foreign. The day we are taken out, your friend who's a foreigner will celebrate. You know, will celebrate. And then we bana nangani. Ubheke nalamajita shade nama foreigner or to chair. They are so comfortable at criticizing South Africans. They'd never criticize their own. So that's where we find ourselves, and we are told good we are all Africans. Mina, I'm inspired as good we are all Africans.
Yeah, nambe ngidalela lento ukuthi foreigner will say, hey, so you South African at least. I used to listen to it. Now I don't buy it. I'm like, hey, if we are lazy, why are you here?
And who built this country?
Bro, because I think it started with us saying, when a foreign tell us we're lazy and we're comfortable with that, like,
no,
we're lazy.
You must make it uncomfortable for them to raise those issues. And I'm a foreigner. They are repeating what they have done after the discovery of gold. Look, I'm a foreigner. I don't claim a distinguished. We built this country. That's nonsense. They never built this country. This is what happened. In all the provinces, you go to KZN. Let me give you KZN. Passable Land Act. People did not want to come to Joburg to work in the mines, did not want to work in their fields. I mean, imagine when bakthatha ifam yakho yeshukela. They employ your father and you for generations to come in the plantation that you used to own. Hence, people batoyitoya, but ngeke sisebenze la, ngisebenza la, kithi la, sengiyasebenza ngomsebenzi le ndawo seyiphiwe uVan der Merwe. And what did they do? They went to Zambia. They went to Rhodesia because we were still under British Empire, those areas. They brought replacement labor. Imagine thina siyatoto emsebenzini sifuna higher wages. When you feel uyangena uthi basi qasha mina baqoshe lapha. That's what they did. Exactly what they're doing now. But employ me am Zimbabwean. Thina silwela ama labor rights. Ukuthi ukwazi ukuphumula after 40 hours. Labor rights, allow maternity, sick leave. But they don't want those things because they want to cancel our South Africans. Cabanga uthi ufuna 10 rand, umuntu athi mina ngizothatha 2 rand, ngisebenze wire day and night. And then nabelungu bayabathatha. And one thing that I hate about white people in South Africa, they are dishonest.
True.
As much as they've contributed positively kwezinye izinto, but when they are killed by these foreigners, they never apportion the blame where it's supposed to. They say we're killed by blacks. No, they are killed by their cheap labor because they bring these guys here. You check our farm killings. Zulus, Sotus, Pedis, they have never done farm killings during apartheid where the motivation was higher because they were under oppression. These guys are they've Christianized South Africa. Black people have believed in, like, thou shalt not kill, the 10 commandments, Joseph. But these ones that they brought in there, they've killed them before in Mozambique. They've killed them during the Mau Mau in Kenya. They've killed them as recent as 2001 in Zimbabwe. They even brag, they are killing them again. Each time you hear a crime, a guy killed Mrs. Watati back and rape the daughter. He's a foreigner in Mosabomate, Abomoyo. And then now you go to Donald Trump, you said you're being killed by blacks. No, you're killed by your employees in most cases. These guys, they start working there and they rob you. They come back, Zimbabweans, and they have no, conscience. Yeah. Black people are not known for killing.
Because in Kunzi, a
White
foreigner is
people.
different.
Yes. And these guys, they hate us. They kill us. During Africa Cup of Nations, nama teams model, ubheke the way basidlalisa ngakhona. I was shocked. Why these guys treat us like this? They give us shady hotels. You'll never hear ukuthi they've treated Abo Egypt that way. Abo Morocco.
Yeah.
If Morocco can go to play in Zimbabwe, Zambia, ngeke kuzwe bakhala bathi bas-treated blind. Thina basigaya nama-ground, basivala, yabo. And our celebrities, they embrace these guys. I don't know why they're so scared. Politicians I can understand because they've got vested interest in those countries. But now they'll be taken out that side.
Yeah, but this thing of which mind is for him. It's not for South Africa.
Yeah, it's not for us.
I think we're confusing that because if City Mauti, Oban Mama in Zimbabwe is not for the country.
Even MTN, we're not benefiting.
Yeah, we're not benefiting.
For ShopRite, we're not benefiting there. But the problem is this. They take our army to go defend their private interest, like Abu CAR, go DRC. What is the benefit? Yamasocha wetu. I said DRC. So katinto zabo Cyril na bomtsepe. We're not benefiting. We're taking taxpayers' money. So we are in that dilemma. You go to these guys, bayasabu kuluma against their own counterpart. And even now, you hear the fake news stories. The government doesn't counter that. Even when you play Lapaya US, these guys, they hate us. South African government, their ministers, but tuling at bafile. So unfortunately, yeah.
You are a lawyer. I want us to move to Ket Matlala since he pleaded guilty to all charges. But I wanna go to March and March first. There was a March and March yesterday. So,
yes.
So 600 million, right?
600 million.
600 million. Okay, you'll add it now.
Give me 5 million for food alone.
Okay.
Ramaphosa, reshuffling.
Or reflection.
Reshuffling is all.
Oh.
When I'm no names then. Yeah.
No, I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know. Bro.
Yes.
Thank you. So okay, 600 million as well as if you can rate the March and March yesterday, there was no violence actually. So but
ENCA, that's apparently there was a guy shot and killed. Like Alex. Yeah.
Who shot him?
So it's according to the police, it is alleged that at about 8 p.m. some community members were looting foreign nationals' spaza shops when shots were fired, fatally wounding one person. Thing is, we don't know who's not shot.
Just crime.
Indaba zamanje kuseni, I was listening on the radio, but the government ijabulile ukuthi South Africans are much peacefully, yeah. Nothing wrong happened, everything was fine. But now on the other hand, go WhatsApp, I saw abantu wale post mhlambi umuntu asezola yapost uthawa kanti why abantu bafuna ukuluta. I think bakhona ba-attemptile babanjwa.
Noma bakhona baluthile. Yeah.
Khona imoto eshisiwe.
6 Hill boy, I think.
Yeah, 6 Hill. Yeah. So, Mtungwa, what are you saying about the March and March yesterday?
I will say this before I analyze the March and March. I will say one thing that I've said when Put South Africa first started, Nabo Operation Tutula, Abahambe started. I said to patriots, it is important for patriots to find a side hustle. Most sevens are somewhere, because most patriots, they join these civil rights movements with hunger. And money hunger, you're going to drink us because you're going to use the marches like televangelists to gain popularity. Once you become a celebrity, now, you know, like it has happened, Gomanyama movement, people go to foreigners for briberies. They go to companies who give them money, companies who are employing the very same foreigners. Instead of taking foreigners, replacing them with South Africans, you just pocket money. The politicians are going to come, and dangle the carrot, which we can take you to parliament. And that's my fear. All these movements, because patriots kunehanga yabo abanye bajoine with bad motives. So I hope I'm a patriot, they keep that in mind, because if you don't do that, uzoloku ucela imali yabo kancane kancane lokuyavela uthi give me 5 million kancane kancane you tell the very same people that need to be deported to donate into my foundation. That has happened. Go to Dula. Abantu bagada amapakistan abanye bathatha imali emakhamba. It has happened. Go put South Africa first. Ama politicians abanika imali.
But that's why
I have trust issues. Yeah, we've seen, I have trust issues. Even now, I have issues. Ngongizwe nophakela meeting uRamaphosa. I understand Gucci, they will they will spin it the way, Gucci, no, they couldn't call the other one, Uchasinta, because but bayamgibelisa ihashe bagibele naye ihashe mabagibele naye ihashe abacabanga ukuthi umfazi womuntu bamkukile. Because if you are a movement, you must have a collectiveness. It can't be that uphakela ati put 5 million in my account. Discuss that with your comrades, because uzoshaya okuba ne possibility ukuthi uzoshaya. We start not trusting you. Have a joint account where kunama signatories C5 siyasayina la akekho one ozokhipha lo mali. Ukuthi okay bafethu sifuna 5 million, and it discuss certain things like the date. Abanye bashokile because if one announces it without telling a membership, abanye sekumele bayidefend that thing. Like abo Jacinta bebanokuvela bathi she announce uphakela a1. But it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be good. No, this is our date, Communicate it, with your team. And as you communicate it, you must also have what if. Like for an example, want to say to people, ngeyidate yambani madoda. You're daring. There must be or else. Now, if you don't have or else, or else. But if the or else is not harsher than the march, you can't march continuously. That's why I have issues with march. But it's okay to march as a start to gather his support. But I normally say that, as black people, we should go beyond marching. I normally say powerless people do powerless things. Like marching. You don't see Jewish people marching. They go to power. But for now, in the absence of anything, I will welcome that because at least that's a move. But we need to go beyond marching. If we say these people are bahambi, they don't leave, are you going to march again? And it's not like they were going to say, hey, they were marching, they were 50 million. We are scared, we are gone. They wait for you, you get tired. You can't organize marches continuously because it takes resources, even from your side, imali. And I'll tell you one thing that is interesting. I'm not saying with abantu bayenza. Most marches, as I started peaceful, let's say in South Africa, beyond colonialism, the wars of resistance, there are two landmarks. Zama March, 1960, 1976. Those, they changed the struggle set, the direction, and internationally so. Isn't it interesting that all these marches, they ended up violent? The 1960 people were shot, and then people started, with Ayazin. We had enough. I'm struggling after that. The 1976 started peaceful until Heston Zolov was shot. Then Hector Peterson followed, and people said, wafa. Isn't it interesting that Napoleon, even the French Revolution, when they started, where they cooked that slogan that says, there is no bread, eat cake, people started getting mad. Isn't it interesting that Martin Luther, after he was shot, people, but no, you've killed the peaceful one. And people started, getting mad, getting angry. Then things were resolved. In Russia, the Bolshevik, isn't it interesting that they started marching peacefully? Until they wiped out the royal family, and then things started to work, And if everyone is talking about peace. We all want peace. Even revolutionaries want peace. But for a revolutionary, for him to conduct a revolution, he has to reconcile, like we did in our 80s. We reconciled ourselves. I can die at any time. A revolutionary is someone who says, I'm prepared to die. Like uMandela watch, this cause, if need be, I'm prepared to die. He forgot to say, I'm also prepared to take life. There's got Satan on the other side. I'm prepared to drown the other side. In life, in a struggle, when there's another person who's sinned against you, if you haven't reconciled yourselves, I'm prepared to lose my life. And if need be, I'm prepared to drown the other person. If a thug comes into your house, he's reconciled himself with ngaboshwa, ngabulawa, ngenzeka le uthi ngishaya. We haven't reached that stage, Tina, in South Africa. I'm not telling people what to do, but the ANC, when they adopted the armed struggle, Nabo PAC, they've reconciled themselves to that, which we may die, even though they were under armed propaganda. And there may be casualties. Even now, there will be people who are misidentified. And I know that Abu woke. But Aksi, it happens all the time with struggle. In the struggle, I'm a student. They banned Umakis Kosana, mistakenly so, because the atmosphere is not the same as now. We've got interrogation processes. It happens all the time. It will happen even in future. I'm misidentified all the time.
Yeah, true.
All the time. But people will take that isolated case and say, Julius. They use that. So in a struggle, you must reconcile yourself with here. I may lose my life fighting for this cause, but it is a just cause. Nigerians, wherever they go, they've reconciled themselves. We go all out. The reason that maybe me and you, we are not billionaires. We are not daring enough. There are people who have no limit. They have no limit. This gang about Yakuza.
Yaku boys.
Lapha ungena ungana scandal. Before you must have committed an act that you cannot reverse. They know from there on. Bafana nama Freemason. It's either melushawa ngenkauza, bakushute, bayazi ngeke usithengise. Yabo. So Tina, we haven't reached that stage. Guys who are billionaires, not those who inherited. They go all the way. Yabo no Puff Daddy, Mfeto, Banbano, JC, Uzo Guneitori, Yabo. They go all the way. As Kotlagalanga enough, to take it all. So, it's in a moral lead. So, as South Africans, we are moral, And when a person says, this person, he holds the status quo, channels, to use proper channels. He knows good, he is in control of proper channels. Be peaceful. In whose benefit? When a person says, be peaceful, in whose benefit? Be peaceful against a tyrant. I'm a Somalia. Monga bheka lapha eMayfair nalawa shisa amateksi lapha eGqeberha. Those guys, they are daring. Baleka namaphoyisa lapha. Baleka namaphoyisa ubheka icela ubanika chance. Whereas after so many days, in Canada like Chris's. Bake bananda amazamazama. Zadubula leze out. Abaleka amaphoyisa. I-SAPS reinforce, reinforce. Reinforce, reinforcement. Communication, but no, we are going back to the drawing table. Because they are armed. So, Tina, we believe, then to a score, the pen is mightier than the sword. You think that you've said something profound. The pen is mightier than the sword. But the oppressor in all the struggles don't think like that. The evil one don't think like that. David was carrying a sword. Samson and Delilah was carrying a sword. That's why with Delilah and Samson they have a love-hate relationship, because women, they want a bad guy. That's why mabahlangana out, but you're too nice. No, you're too nice. Utshela umntwana ukuthi mfethu le outline grand mfethu umntwana sedladleni athi is too nice. They want a beast, Beauty and the Beast. awukwazi bathi Beauty and the Beast, King Kong. Nakuma movie because umntwana ufuna a man who will blow the world to protect her. But a good guy will compromise a woman to defend the world.
You think we're not angry enough?
We're not angry enough. You know, our slaves in America, give me freedom or death. We haven't reached that stage. And it's necessary for us to go through certain stages. But checks ngapha, yabo, uthi uthenga ukudla iloaf pound bekuyi-20 rand sokuyi-30, petrol, tariffs. Kumele si-reach at that point. And sibabone laba basiphethe nalaba abanye, yabo, Rolly. Yabo, abomangumela. Kumele kuze sibe angry. I mean, look at Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, they went to the parliament. They said, no, we had enough from a politic. They went to the prime minister. But Lamborghini, all the fancy cars. I'm not giving people ideas. Question omunye member of parliament. The following 3 months, Balandi president. If you remember, bangena endlini baswima. You still remember that?
Hey.
But when electricity nasinayo, waphuma ngechopper da. So in Romania, I think it was 1990, Ceausescu, people were mad. Amasoja jige ashinja. No, we can't shoot the people. People went to parliament. They went to parliament, but nothing goes out. What bamthatha ngechopo, wabuya, bambuyisa.
Because parliament prize.
Was executed on a Christmas Day. The president of Romania.
Is just the house of lies.
We haven't reached
and we have to come close to this.
Yeah, but mina, if I'm benefiting, listen, be peaceful, be reasonable, follow processes. In whose favor? Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Don't do anything, yeah. So if you haven't reached that, nothing is going to change. Now, you march. I mean, he won today, July. Ziyabuya lithuthi. And then nalezi ehambile. The number I balance. Because actually with 8 million Zimbabweans are here. We did not see 8 million living. Maybe we have 2,000, 4,000.
Ama-Nigeria wahambanga.
Ama-Nigeria wahambanga. Kunabo Somalia bahambanga. Abo Bangladesh bahambanga. So are we going to march continuously, repeatedly, forever, until we're angry enough, to explore everything, to boycott? So we haven't reached that stage. And I know they will target me. Sometimes these targets, how they happen, the last time I was on your show, mangithi ngiyabheka ngifike edladlini sekunabantu baka-Eskom bazobheka ugesi babheka ngedalezi yabo sukela nini niyeke bonke labantu bheka amanzi yabo namanje kumele ngiyolungisa into zami ze-tax yabo ngabona ukuthi bathi le singayibamba kuphi ezinye zangitshela vele ezilapha ku-ANC ukuthi mfethu labantu abajabuli manje ukhuluma kanje yabo but yabo for mina brawami these guys mfethu bekufuneka nje yabona the day start power kunabantu nje kumele nje yabona sibenzela ama special tribunals ba trial nje yabo one day asithatha namalanga amaningi mfethu hlala enkundleni yamatshala lapha sikhulume after lapho mfethu khetha itayira lakho ukuthi ufuna liphi sikugaxe lona angeke sikushise thina uyoshisa wena asifuna ukuthi uzosipokela la yabo sikunike noma echisi yabo sithi lighter baba sikunikile ichance yakho ukuthi uzikhulumele sikubathole guilt kunabantu nje kumele sibathole guilt nje bahluphe kakhulu umphakathi so we are not angry enough so march and march bro I hope they don't commit ama mistakes ayenziwa abodudula istruggle akusisarafina it's a collective effort and ama leaders kumele siwa criticize la siwa criticize khona so that bazoqonda yabo bangayenzi the same mistakes ayenziwe ududula amanye ama movement nabo Gayton McKenzie njengoba ubona uGayton McKenzie sokuyiclown he's taken over as a imbongi praising Cyril Ramaphosa. So we must criticize them. Or
How?
Yeah.
Ugethi no President Cyril kakhulu nje kuwo bonke nje.
Ukhohliwe namakhaladi.
Hey, kuhli.
Yeah, ukhohle ngisho amakhaladi akuphi.
Yeah. He will come near elections at abambe, thinking because they always bank kuma South Africans, because South Africans have got amnesia or they are a forgiving nation. We forgive, but hence we are renewing. Give us another chance. Give us another chance. We'll fix, and they mess up. So that's where we find ourselves. So hopefully they don't commit the same mistakes and they work as a collective. Abu Jacinta Ngizwe, they must communicate. Yeah. And kunezinye izinto ezifuna transparency. Singamangali qala sohamba nge4x4. Understand ukuthi utholaphi. Yabo. Asazi ukuthi uthengiwe, because that brings a suspicion. That's why nakuparliament kune disclosure. Ukuthi ayibafethi yazini mina ngine side hustle engishaya. Singamangali sohamba ngelento yabo ngePorsche. Yabo okancane kancane wena ufuna imali. Masifuna imali sisifuna as a collective. Yeah, ungathi wena uyi1 ngale uthi fakani naye Absa account or you've put 5 million for food on the food in my Capitec. Let it be a collective effort. But what I saw Kubo, it's the problem that in Abu Dhabi is so I was a national organizer in the arts, in the creative workers union space, performing arts. We will go meet the stakeholders, maybe so the president, or the minister of trade and industry, or minister of arts and culture. As executives, the industry must be fixed like this. We need workers' rights, pensions, medical aid. There must be monies donated. With this fund. But guys, when they go meet these stakeholders, they've got their own plans. Umuntu une NGO yakhe eceleni. Omunye une company yakhe eceleni. Makafika lapha akasakhulumeli collective art. Uthi, Mr. President, your PA, can I talk? I also have this project, Ufuna imali site la. That's what has happened, Omunye sekathi mina ngirana NGO esona so. So I hope nagu March and March doesn't happen, because you can hear amajita makathi mina nginenye foundation yami ngayi maku space se March and March, push March and March. Eyakho uzoyibona eceleni ungayuzi iplatform eMarch and March bese uthi mina bafethu nginomabhinqa nokunsizwa nane let us all agree ukuthi sipusha this thing ungas double cross manje so user wena, because most guys they use this like televangelists to gain a popularity, and then from there they branch into other things, then they leave us hanging here, and then they dump the cost. So I hope Nabo Jacinta they strengthen the communication yabo bangaphikisani, and also they must also know their strength. There are people that are good to boardroom. There are people that are good
on the ground.
Yeah, on the ground. But we have yabo kunabanye abagrand ku boardroom. Yabo ama strategist. You know your strength. So they can go a long way. They've achieved a lot, because
they can work on the structure like him too.
Yeah, no. We must give them their flowers.
Yeah, true.
They've achieved a lot, considering Uguti, all 9 provinces were busy, and it has never happened. If it did, maybe early 90s, the whole country. Maybe the day Chris Anashonile, they've achieved that. Everybody's woke, everybody's conscious, people are talking, the artists are coming in, abafundisi nabo bavukile ukuthi bafethu man, it can't be. So that I give them credit. And also kunamajita long, kumbula ngabo 2008 we've been defending South Africa ukuthi we're not xenophobic. Sometimes amanye amajita another problem, the main character syndrome. Afuna ukuvela. Like I've seen amanye amajita ngwazi organize abesuthu ukuthi no, they must counter. It can't be about you all the time,
bro.
Sometimes you lay the first foundation. Maradona knew which is paved the way for Messi.
Don't personalize it.
Messi now has which is the last World Cup. Kunentwana ezayo yabo. So as guys, we must understand which it can't be always you all the time. That's why even if when we started Abu Tutula, I said, guys, bring young girls. Yabo labantwana laba bani chic laba bagelezile yabo. they brought in Nabuntanta Lax, they were young, they are relatable, into an ingane, even some hip hop guys, so that they can
this
push.
thing can move.
Yeah, it can't be Ike all the time, Now, but many understand, so no Jacinta, no, give you support. One day kuzoba nomunye, and then I will just a case at then. Like this is a South African issue.
True.
This is a South African issue.
Blue.
Yeah. Yeah, ngavela abantu bathi thina simatsonga. We can distinguish umtsonga neshangane. Abantu mabathi shangane bayazi ukuthi bakhuluma ngabo bani, abantu basemaputo. Manje wena ufuna ukuletha confusion because the ANC they're trying to put tribalism with this issue.
But if it's amatsonga yazi angimangazile mina.
No, they've been organized.
Yeah?
They've been organized to counter.
And bonke ubona ngama t-shirt bonke banama t-shirt. Awundlela wabhaliwe tsonga ngazi in.
No, mina ngifuna ukunderstand le nto ishangane netsonga like umehluko ukuphi?
Yeah.
Like why amatsonga aba offended about ishangane or umshangane? Oh, laba basemozambique.
But sometimes what shangane namatsonga aba offended, but bona kusama amatsonga it's a bigger umbrella than amashangane. You never know. One thing kumele ubabize la.
Mina nginokubabuza nginabo abangami nginokubabuza khona ukuthi nje lo mngane wami wayengixoxela dakiwe. Makanyakhumbula ngitshela nje ukuthi tsonga.
Ulalele makadakiwe.
The way wakhuluma vele sense ukuthi nje mhlawumbe nambe ngidakiwe. Okhulu ongitshela ukuthi the word tsonga akutshela imilinye lelo gama. Yeah, the word tsonga ukuthi ngikhohliwe. But I think it has something to do with abantu ababaleka or abahamba, something like that. Uthi angisakhumbula. Even nalo bekaKhinika James umbonile. Ngimbuzile la.
Because give my senses. Give me ibonakala engathi someone kwi-power kuma politicians uvele wahamba wafuna this group as ukuthi is a minority ukuthi yini hambani vele kuzothiwa excluded because you've been quiet.
Yes.
So South Africa is on I think it was planned.
They tried it even aboma Eastern Cape thola ukuthi hayi yabo kwe Eastern Cape bathi hayi samba ne march and march. They tried to divide. Even now, I mean, it's deliberate. Ukuthi uCyril abize ungizwe nolento. No Phakela. He's trying to bring in division. uCyril mfethu is evil.
Akaze ahlale nomuntu mfethu.
He's evil.
Lo mjitalo.
Yabo.
Ubizwa nje ngombani.
Yeah, ubabize ngamabomu vele. And in future what should happen? What should happen? You see, like Donald Trump showed us, no, these meetings can be televised. Bring cameras here, see ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Ungasitsheli wena so we-one ukuthi ebafethu we've decided ukuthi no, bring cameras, angithi number nama camera, televise this thing or ni record unedited. Donald Trump did that ngabo Ramaphosa. Nabo Zelensky. Wababeka la press conference kwakhulunywa. Ungeze soyi-one ushama secret dealings because you are creating another atmosphere esingeke sibe comfortable ngayo.
Because uma ubheka nje yini uRamaphosa akade yisho ngempela kungezwe nani. And
on the eve of the 30th, such a big day. Yeah. Even if mfethu noma unbize nga 20 seconds in minutes towards the o'clock, you also call your comrades. If you can't come, tell the husband ukuthi mfethu sesibiziwe endaweni so are you available? Yabo. See send a message. It was said mawubona lo mntana lo Jacinta bambuza lapha bambuzile TV, but were you aware of the meeting? When I look at the body language, which I didn't know. Do you know what the content of the meeting? No. Were you invited? No. You know that no. You can tell even the body language. Well, later on, I hope they find ways, to manage it.
Because they have to.
Going forward. And then now, towards the build-up at the 30th, no, it's him who announced it, not me. They were supposed to talk about it. With date, see, I announced it. And mabanga funu hamba labantu what? Kube ne collective answer. But if you say mfethu hambani, we're giving you a date. That's or else type of situation, or else.
Yeah, we can't march the whole time.
but
now we have to come up with the final decision.
I think I saw a post Jacinta at bazomarcha every Thursday.
If it's possible, but marching to respond to being ignored, it's difficult because you need resources to march. You need to plan in marching, amanzi, people abanye bayasebenza. So for me now, going forward, I'm a patriot. I cannot tell patriots they must revolt because human lives are involved. Let's try other avenues.
I think we need another date where we say, like, really, it's gonna go down.
But you know what they can do, which is practical. The same plan that we brought to Operation Tutul. The husband, Jacinta, he's a lawyer. They must bring in other resources like lawyers and have a setup engine. Take the government to court, compel them. Employers, the Panama Association abanga comply, compel the police with court actions to say, go and arrest a certain employee or an employer who is employing. If it's BMW who's breaking the law, compel that person to must employ South Africans or else he goes to jail, because those are avenues. And then what you can do, you can subdivide it. Like for an example, let me give you a practical example. You close the tap. Net department dealing these people, when they come from Zambia, Zimbabwe, they go to Bara, they go to King Edward's Hospital, and the mama figure up abanye kusama agents, ama emergency. Mama catu batrita, mababosho bayilindela. You compel the municipality and also the manager with no, don't leave them. They're already here. Bizana mapoisa babob. You deal ngamapoisa. With amapoisa, they're not doing their job. You don't need a minister to tell you to arrest this person. And where your loved one has been killed by someone who's not supposed to be here, kuna civil action and ngawachuna. Sue the police, the minister of police. No. My daughter was abducted, because you lacked the, proactive measures. Housing. You're dealing in housing. There are people who are occupying RDP houses who are not supposed to be there. What is the Minister of Housing doing? You compel them, the same way as Africa Forum is doing. Per department, you're closing the tap. In all these departments as a shire. Infrastructure. You find a loophole, which how can you fight them legally and all that? Short of,
Kuma housing vile ngicabanga yazi amasipara camp avundukile nje
yomfana
sitting in the last 5
and there's no need for a squatter camp with Sivumbuki.
Lawo ndaba basaba ukuhlala yazi la ngase N12
yes
mangathi eLens lawo ndaba basaba ukuhlala mfethu emanzini like duzaya nomhlanga
and our laws
Zanspray.
Our laws, the police, the ministry, they're letting us down because when the people are setting up a squatter camp, I remember in my neighborhood, mabasa say 4, deal ngabo, basa say 4 kanjalo. Because once they become a community, baba 300, 400, it's
becoming
and then now the length of time I spend it up. So my technicalities which you can no longer remove them. You need a court action.
No uyangixaka lento lena manje. Yabona la eFlorida eJerusalem ngazi noma uyayazi. Mongathi la State Department.
Yeah, ngiyayibona.
That place I remember very well. Bangenile abantu baba few then community yazama ukubasusa. I-government ayiphikise. So mina ngimangala city power esikumongela sekufaka ama-services
the government they are fighting us they are
faka ugesi ndoda mawuya eSlovo
nakutshela la the dangerous one la kuphe boulders yabo le mkhukhe la ku N ban lo my 4 is 4 ways or metron la boulders kan
khona Google lapha
mangathi yathiwa boulders kunemkhukhe lampe ethi kwi-freeway
andithi iningi imikhukhu
freeway ndoda
Yeah.
Kia Sense
Ngaphansi kwama-bridge.
uqala ukuyibona iKia Sense emva kwamafem like lawo laba nemikhukhu yabo nemoto yakhe ayingeni upaka main road
Yeah, it's deliberate.
upaka main road kumele ubokhe ngeenyawo bengazazi ukuthi into kanje za exist.
Yeah, that's why mina ngithi you know movements afana nabo EFF, DA, even ANC, they are funded or they are programmed, drafted by the globalists. It is in the globalist interest where they collapse borders, where they create a sweatshop. You know, if they create a sweatshop, if about China, they open borders, the price of labor goes down, everything goes. There are no laws, but they continue to loot. You know, go Zamazama, they continue to take gold. If when I years today, what you mean, my rate, you know, employment. Lesser. They want that. You can check. This is global. Go UK, bakalanga same thing. There are movements. Israeli movements. Say France. They welcome people. Ngama boat. You know, all over the world. In America, they collapse some border. Go Mexico. It's only when Donald Trump came to strengthen our border, he became an enemy. The media attacked him. They attacked him. This is the guy who says, no. The people who are coming here are robbers, criminals. And check who's defending them. You know, all these people are about woke. You know, nama celebrities with, nama influencer. You know, I mean, I attended one organization event, June 16. I was shocked, you know. That's why some of these organizations is fail. Your left, your PCM, your whatever, because they always talk that language. There is no foreigner in Africa. While our borders are being opened, you know, and then you find and who's funding them? All these Zionist movements, all these, you know, Free Palestine movements. You know. But in Israel, they don't want open borders.
Even that thing issue, Tina no Kanda, our last job, not such a foreign. Like more than 50 South Africans.
Yeah. In your country.
Hey. Into le mina ngiphatha kahle la isnaplify konje kokuganda eModern Fontaine.
Yeah, they give them foreign tender because they are looting through them. Yeah, they're looting through them. You know, sometimes they give this foreigner tender yet disappear. But nobody bayazibona ukuthi it's a javelin bayokhona.
But into that uyisho umuntu ukuthi laphana itender umuntu eyomlungu. So umlungu qasha iforeign asebenzisa iforeign ukuhlukumeza abantu base South Africa. So in that thing isho abelungu they are enablers.
Yabona le tender leya da ayiki. Maye ngave. Uthi mhlambe ngiyasoka ukuthi reason engakave ukuthi maybe bonke EFFDA ezingani bonke bakhona. But yabona le tender maye ngavela. I think kula countries oshakhona.
Yeah.
Ikolo le ama-billions.
But mina one thing that especially kuma-minions EFF sometimes noma ngiboni out ifake iskipper esiyellow esigreen esile nginokuzibuza nami ukuthi in fact le ntwana icabanga kanjani. People lapha ku EFF, don't they suffer from foreigners? I'm shocked nabanye mfethu ukuthi mfethu umalume wakhe bekathi uya driver imoto ya spikewa amaZimbabwean bambulala. Because icrime senziwa yibo labantu in the main. So don't they suffer ezikolweni ezibhedlela? Motu ufuna umbhede uphethwe iforeign. Abayisafari lento. uJulius yena ucovered.
Lo so very sharp.
Yeah, he's a flip-flopper. But the people on the ground, when their leader is also insulting them, ukuthi you are lazy. One day Nigerians will employ you. These are your future employer. How do they feel, Bona? When this guy is insulting South Africans, you know, on regular intervals, unprovoked. Now, but they accept that. We're internationalist. There's no foreigner in Africa. They accept that. Yet, Bona mabaphuma labahamba ngama-passport, apply lama-visa. I mean, the Ghanaians, when they took their people 300, mabafika ngale baba verifyile angithi there is no foreigner in Africa bekumele bavele bangene bayabheka ukuthi lo owethu lo akuso wethu bababheka.
Okay, because
but anyway, you wanted to ask about
I want us to move to Ket Matlala issue as the last issue.
Yeah, Ket Matlala, my brother, I think he realized that no one is coming to save him. I made a comparison between Okhet Matlala no Thabo Bester. But for me, he clinched a deal in the state, which I confess. I was hoping that Nangale attempted murder, where his wife is involved. He will also clinch a deal. Maybe weigh things good time, maybe a chance ngale. Because if I were to be arrested with my wife, especially if I have kids, or with my brother, I will take it on the chin. Yazi ngivuma amacala lo ahambe yabo clinch deal ukuthi lo ahambe ubheka abantwana lo bazomshaya ngenkawu zangaphandle but at least yabo abantwana yabo nezinye uzovala ukuthi imfethu ngino 42 million lapha ubheka lapha yabo finance asedladleni
so plead guilty kwamanye lawe amacala kulamanye
lawe corruption and all that amatender because lenye ngibone ngathi usa appear they attempted murder lomntana lo Thobejane. Ideal yakhe, I don't know ama details why. But usually mosha plea bargain. Now you negotiate ngithi ukuthi mfethu yazini also gawu 15 mfethu yazini the case late strong against you. Bozo thola 45 uthola but thola into engaka yabo. And I don't know exactly ama details why ukuthi his wife and others, are they implicated? You see, like for an example, if we compare nega Best was supposed to cut it deal like that. I mean, look now, he's dragging the father, Lumtano Nandip. Now, Lumtana Lo Nandip. As a guy, you're already serving a lengthy sentence. Tata Matala, let's go with Singiskibele Pesquisi, and like trying to be smart and spending money on lawyers and all that. I can't drag the supposed father-in-law, lomntana lo nje first time nje bekumele avuma athi yazi indawo lena mina ngiyayisaba ndawo lena yonke lento lena it's under duress lo muntu ungikhombile mfethu siqale grand vele mina siyifihla yabo ngathola amanye ama secret lo muntu angipromise ukungibulala that's why ningithola ngenze lezi noma ningithola ngale in a foreign country I had no option. Manje wena mawusozophika ukuthi no they brought you here inside the country legally. You should be happy because they brought you in whatever manner. You say no, they brought me. Uthabo Bester bekumele avume yabathatha amacala yabo. Futhi vele lo mntana ekuthanda duress. So no Okhet Matlala for me na ideal yakhe. If you cut a deal, make sure that your deal also covers family yakho yabo. And I'm not sure about ama details with deal yakhe. At least to keep imedi yakho lapho yabo kulezo zinto ivayo ubheka abantwana nayo le murder attempted murder it's something I understand maybe there was a reason on his side ukuthi hayi bekafuna ukubulala lo mntwana maybe lo mntwana knows too much I don't know but mina mangimbheka lo mntwana lo manage naye lapha yamfethu hayi akusumntwana ongathi ufuna ukumbulala I don't know maybe lo mntwana knows too much or maybe bekafuna ukumcima I don't know or lo mntwana bekamthreaten.
Mara ngifuna like le deal yenzile le like I'm asking myself ukuthi okay aswazi ama details nani but mina for me Thabo Best kumele akhiphe le big 5 masifuna ukuthi
nami mntu ngiworried ukuthi I don't think I don't know
it's obvious paper trade
but he won't say
it's for the big 5.
Yeah, we don't know yet what he's going to testify. But he's going to be a state witness. Let us wait and hear what he's got to say. And sometimes you might find now he's not big enough to have a certain information of certain people above. He knows the Baba lie to us. So let's see the names that he's implicated. You might find they are big guys he's implicated. But when you talk about the big 5, South Africa, like Mkhwana is saying, these are big 5. Mina I'm a big 5 wami mfethu. What is South Africa's big 5? Ungafaka ngabo Rupert. Ungafaka ngabo Menelo, ungafaka ngabo Openham usadlala lapho. Usadlala. I'm a big 5 mfethu. There are people mfethu who've been owning this country. As you know, South Africa own a company. I mean, from Dutch East India Company, those companies that had powers like a state, companies who could unleash wars, declare wars. So we are governed by multinationals. That's why they are lobbyists. Abayakula politicians would implement policy ABC and given monies. So that is that. So the big five to me now, it should be top guys.
Sesivala Brown Mohotsi.
That's why ngeke ufaka bo Brian Mohotsi. Even nabo bokhet Matlala mfethu.
Small fish.
Yeah, it's a small fish mfethu. Bamtshelile naye ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi mfethu asifuni wena. Uyabona ukuthi mfethu labantu bakho bakushiye la. And mfethu uyahamba wena. Sifuna labantu. Give us names. Maybe you'll talk. Yabo, sina ideal mfethu. Thatha ideal. Yabo, abo Brian Mohotsi mfethu. Kuneyipari mfethu mothi uyayibheka nawe. Uyabona ukuthi so nesikepsel sabantu.
Yeah, yena manje uyambona ukuthi ipare yaze qale ngangamnaki. Yawona umbona manje ukuthi lena beyithuse. Uyabona mayethu I would come to Madlanga Commission and talk. I was like,
yeah, good no, the tables will turn. Even now, Kate, mfethu uyabona ukuthi mfethu.
Kate naye vele masengibheka mina.
He's a nice boy.
Ice boy because utheshisiwe strong.
Yeah.
Lengamla le ebe shooter no Julius Mkhwanazi. Lebisipana no Kate ikuphi yona. Mina ngathi iyo na ihleli maselini.
Yeah.
Lengamla le beka sipana nakule watha 20.
ngiyibona.
Medical. The conspiracy is big mfethu. Sisekhona nabo Alex Mafia. Yabo. Sisekhona mfethu nabantu abasownayo eLondon abatshela labantu ukuthi mfethu do 1 2 3. We are not happy about 1 2 3. Yabo. Thatha ama instructions kubo. So laba nje bayagijima nje yabo. Khona ama Judas phethe mfethu. A strong.
Lento nje ukukhuluma ngabantu abasiphethe. Do you think i-reshuffling le ka
Oh yeah.
Njengoba bakhipha uJohn uStenize bamenza deputy angaziyani manje. Bamkhipha ku-agriculture. Do you think isukela ekuthenini vele uyokhuluma uDA kabi ukuthi I remember he said Donald Trump bebathe mele akhuluma uJulius Gaba akhuluma ukuthi vele there is a white genocide in South Africa. So he decided not to do that. So bekayikhuluma in one of his interviews. Soon after that, Ramaphosa said, reshuffle. Do you think there's a connection now?
But for me, a White House, I think, what did he say? He said, no, we participated in the genocide to prevent the EFF from coming. I didn't think with a White House, it did damage to EGNU or EDA. Rupert was there as well. Which no. They are there, I was staying to prevent EFF from coming. Umuntu okhuluma ngama-foreigner la bekuyi-Rupert. Athi ama-borders, avulekile. I was surprised because benefita yena. These companies, they benefit from there. So, I don't know. Because I'm a president, it's their prerogative. They don't have to give an explanation. Even when they fire, they don't have to give an explanation. They fire willy-nilly. It's their prerogative. I wish one day maybe could reach, a stage where they explain, no, because of 1 2 3. Even amanyama appointments. I mean, why am I forget that? Because that's not, his strongest, position in terms of his capabilities. I mean, land.
Yeah.
And they've killed the PAC because the PAC hlala khuluma ngeland. Bamthatha le president bamfaka ku land but do something he's dead. Kunabantu abanokufakwa lapha mawuthi uyambheka lo muntu. Abo age.
Ngicabanga yena manje.
Yeah, I understand ukuthi why that. Ezinye it's a payback ukuthi yazini mfethu you've been with me like abolamula. Yeah, ukuthi mfethu yazini ilentwana lena. Yeah, ingilwele during a CR17 campaign, I think a reward. So they do that, unfortunately. So we cannot question it's their prerogative. So, but yeah, it's one of those things.
No,
But
Mtunga, siyabonga kakhulu. I think your last word going forward, as South Africans, we did march and we're trying to fix our country. Maybe your last message to South Africans as well as we march and march going forward, maybe strategies, what really points that they have to toughen up ukuthi beqhubeke kahle nge-organization as well as kumuntu oyi-South African njengamanje iziphi izinto kumele eyizo-improve ama-conditions wethu ukuthi siqhubeke sibe ngama-South Africans abantu bokufika bangathathi i-advantage yokuthi bafike nje e-countryni bazenzele.
I think they should speak with a united voice and babe more coordinated than they were in the past. Bungabi nama-fragmentation. And also when they take action, bakwazi uku-accounta for, the actions that they take, ukuthi they all move, in unison. And also, they can compel, like next year, January, the schools will be opening, our kids won't have space. Compel, court application, Department of Education, which no. We are not doing right here in terms of the law, all these departments, go housing, compel them, recruit people, with skills, criminally, if dealing a criminal law, get people who are good in that civil law, company law, compel the state with, what, you must do your job, 1, 2, 3, because now we are there where we must compel the state with they must do their job, and they're not doing their job.
Yeah, because le iy'kole I think kumele iqalwe nje manje ukuthi iy'ngane zethu zingasokoli ey'koleni kube khona ingane kuthiwa umama wabo baba banamaphepha naye namaphepha okuba la eSouth Africa.
Ney'bhedlela. I mean,
yeah.
Our constitution is clear. It says ukuthi no one, everyone is entitled to emergency medical. But people who go to hospitals, akusama emergency, abanye nje shawa ekhanda. So they should compel the hospital, Department of Health. No. These people are not supposed to be here in terms of our laws, and follow that up. And at least we can achieve our results are sound. But mostly mabanga spana ku communication yabo and work together so that they know who's doing what, at what time, and beyond marching, because marching, you can't march forever. You'll get tired of marching. People, they get tired. This week, next week. It takes resources. It takes money.
Foreigners osihleke nanti nenzani. Sela.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this episode, man. We really appreciate it. See you next time. So yeah, thank you. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership, and also make sure you don't skip the adverts and watch the episode until the end. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your support, as well as is road to 200,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you. We're almost there. So yeah, thank you. It's because of you guys. You're supporting us, so we keep going. So yeah, thank you so much, Mtongwa. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Bonge.